Welcome to Richpeace CAD software online lessons. Today we teach you angle bisector. There are three methods to use this tool. The first method. Click to intersecting curves. Left click. And length. Click OK. The second method, click to intersecting curves. Enter the number of equal paths. Left click. And length. You can choose to keep the line. Click OK. The third method. Make angle bisector on the pattern. Click to intersecting curves. Left click. If the amount of gradient is not the same, check dispersion and length. Click OK. OK, finish. Thanks for watching today's video. See you tomorrow.